Hello, how are you? I am back again because today is the day. That's right, the Elemis QVC Today's Special Value is launching today. Today, it's already out. So let me tell you about it and what you get inside. So this is a 4-piece skincare collection and it's worth £246. However, it's being sold for £73.96. That's right, we're talking about £172 saving. It's pretty amazing, isn't it? Anyway, I thought I'd quickly show you what's inside. But before I do that, let me tell you, it is out now and it ends on the 11th of February. So if you want to take advantage of this deal, please hurry up and buy it ASAP. In fact, some of these offers end earlier because they sell out. So it is literally while stocks last. Anyway, let me show you what you get inside. So the first item that we have is the iconic Rose Cleansing Balm. Here it is. It is a nice big 50-gram tub and it is the rose scent, which is absolutely stunning. Seriously, it's amazing. Next up, we have the amazing Pro-Collagen Marine Mask. Again, I love this one, and this is a 100ml tube. So it's going to last you ages, potentially all year, depends how often you do it. And here is another product which will last you forever. This is the Pro-Collagen Glow Boost Exfoliator. I've not tried this one yet, so I'm really excited about giving it a go. And this again is a 100ml tube. And then finally, the creme de la creme of the box. Like I always say, no Elemis QVC Today's Special Value would be complete without a tub of the Elemis Pro-Collagen Marine Cream. I love this stuff. It's like my favorite thing. So this is a 30ml tub. This alone is worth £64. So considering the whole box is £76, it's a pretty mega deal. God, don't you just love this stuff? Also, if you are brand new to QVC and you have never shopped with them before, then I have a refer a friend code which will get you £10 off your first order. You just have to quote my name at checkout and all the information is below. And if you do fancy buying this box, then please do use my affiliate link. It helps me a lot. Anyway, I best go now because I need to go make Mary some lunch, but I thought I'd quickly show it to you. I hope you like it as much as I do, and if you do want to buy it, it is out now and the offer ends on the 11th of February. So you've got to get in there quick. Anyway, that's my video. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.